Welcome everyone, it's the Bearded Viking here and welcome to my channel where we'll be discussing anything and everything gaming related. In this next couple of videos we'll be discussing my vision on how to make your own personal gaming room. Let's not waste any more time and get right into this video, right? Yes guys, this right here is the barrel wasteland that I will be changing into my gaming room to make some awesome great content for you guys. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get more of my content. So I'll be taking you guys through everything I'm going to do. From painting the walls, building my own custom desk, refurbishing these PCs that I bought from my friends, and also hanging some cool posters. And then my right hand side there's a single bed that I'll be changing from a bed into a gaming couch. Well, basically get some anime bedding and some cool pillows to put on it. Then also the last thing I will do is put in some cool LED strips to light up the room, and also build some cool shelving for my collectibles that I absolutely love collecting. Assassin's Creed is one of my favorite games, so I'll be definitely streaming and giving a lot of gaming content on Assassin's Creed. So this has been one of my dreams, to build my own gaming room. So I'm happy to share this adventure with you guys. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please give it a subscribe and the notification button for all new content. I can't wait to make the next videos for you guys. See you guys soon.